team, we thank you so much for still being with us this evening. Our conversation here continues on the show. We have George Morara, who's the Vice Chair of the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. Thank you for still being with us. Maurice Amolo, who's the Deputy Country Director, I should say, for Mercy Corps Kenya. And we've got Bishop Dr. Wakabu John, as well as Charles Owino from the Kenya Police Service. Gentlemen, I'd like us to continue with the conversation, but first, I want to update our viewers on the situation in Kisumu. Political and religious leaders in Kisumu have called for calm after the region experienced protests that saw one man shot dead and several injured. The leaders also accused the police of using excessive force against protesters.
Willis Omondi of Manyata Estate in Kisumu, one of the victims of police beatings in the two-day skirmishes that engulfed the lakeside city of Kisumu.
Mimi walikuwa wananiambia atienda kwa nyumba. Na umejua abruptly nini mbio ikatoka. Sasa sikujua pesa ya kwenda. Sasa nimeingia kwa nyumba ya shosho mwingine, shosho akafunga mlango. Wenye kufunga mlango hivyo tu. Hao pia wakafungua hiyo mlango. Na huyo shosho wakawacha huyo shosho wao ndio wakaanza kunipiga.
A few meters from here, we meet Jacob Okoth. The old man tells of a grueling experience in the hands of police.
Tena akapiga mimi hapa akafunja hii mkono yangu hii mpaka macho akafunikwa. Macho yangu hawezi ona mzuri sasa hivi. Yeah. Ndio. Sijui walikuwa hakuna kitu walimwambia kitu walikuwa natafuta. Walikuwa napiga tu mimi bila kujua natafuta nini.
Hali hapa walienda kwa nyumba zote.
Walikuwa kwa nyumba zote pale tulikuwa nakaa.
But even as the victims were nursing injuries, Kisumu County was returning to normalcy. Life resumed along the streets of Kisumu that have been empty for the last 2 days. Political and religious leaders in the region condemned the excessive use of force by police to quell the protests, but also called for peace.
We have appealed to our people to remain calm, go down their businesses as usual. We have appealed to business owners to open up business, because so long as businesses are closed, commercial activity will stand at a standstill, and this county will suffer tremendously in terms of its economy.
So it is very important that we desist from doing those ones, because after all, we will be destroying our own nation if we are doing that one. So that one should be very clear, and that is why it is important that we all the time pray for peace. And our voices as leaders must be understood, and we must respect God in all contexts, so that we work as per God requires. That is the message that I would like to put across, and I'm appealing to everybody to keep vigil and to keep peace.
However, things may take another turn in the days to come, with NASA's presidential candidate Raila Odinga expected to give direction to his supporters come Tuesday. Rashid Ronald, KTN News, in the county of Kisumu.